Hey, welcome back to Alaska Life 907. This is Mrs. Alaska Life walking with you in the woods in October out in the Matanuska Valley in search of grouse. No, not these ones. I'm talking about these ones right here. These grouse are also known as spruce hens, or as some locals like to call them, stupid chickens. But this family of 7 seemed to be anything but stupid. These spruce hens knew how to hide. They were very, very smart. Spruce hens that earned the nickname stupid chickens are the ones that typically land on the edge of branches where they are very easy to spot and then shoot. But as I said before, this family of 7 was very smart. You see me every now and then stopping, pausing to look and listen. Their wings make a very distinct sound when they fly. But if you're making too much noise while you walk, you could miss it. I was taught by my father at a very young age how to hunt for them in the woods. He taught me everything that I know, and I have already begun teaching the next generation. My sister is in the woods with me, trying to help me find the grouse, and her fiancé was with us as well, but he went off in another direction, hoping to find any of the 7 that have branched out somewhere in these woods. A grouse's camouflage is truly impeccable. They are almost impossible to spot, especially if they are sitting very, very still and they are up close to the tree trunk. But every now and then, we get lucky.
Really? Oh, yep. Yep. There's a branch.
Do you see it yet?
I think I got it right here.
Right there.
Woo! Yeah!
Teamwork makes the dream.
Yeah, good eyes. Look at all the feathers. I blew it up.
I saw it. I think it was that one. I was thinking I was seeing one. And I just could not tell.
I was trying to aim higher. I don't think I aimed high enough. Oh. Holy crap, there's feathers everywhere. Nice. Yep, shredded it. I had a feeling there had to be one right here somewhere. That was good eyes. She was hidden pretty good. Where are your siblings? Where's the whole damn fam?
Do you see one?
I thought that spot just moved. I don't think it is one. This dark, but that's a dead spruce. But there's like a, I don't know, maybe my eyes just wanted that spot to move. I hate how for a lot of the trees you gotta get in just the right angle of light to be able to tell. Earlier when we think we heard some fly, it sounded to me like possibly 3 or 4 of them. but it was faint. Like it was from this way. I just didn't know how far. Makes you wonder, like, how long does it take them to find each other again after they disperse so far? I think I'll look around these trees right here and start working that way. Something might be in one of these trees over here.
But as far as our luck went, all we got was 1 out of the 7. Sometimes we get more, and sometimes we don't get any. But we thank you for joining us on this walk in the woods here at Alaska Life 907, and we hope to see you on future walks. Stay tuned.
Shh.
Hey, this isn't supposed to be here. If you want to join us for this walk, you're going to have to stay tuned and come back to Alaska Life 907. We'll see you soon.